Sigma is revitalizing its APS-C lens lineup, largely due to a new agreement with Canon that allows the production of RF mount optics for this format. This is evident with the introduction of the new Sigma 17 to 40mm f/1.8 DC art zoom lens, available for Sony E, Canon RF, Fujifilm X, and L mount systems. This lens is unique due to its constant f/1.8 aperture, building upon the legacy of the Sigma 18 to 35mm f/1.8 for DSLRs, but now adapted for mirrorless cameras and offering an extended zoom range. It maintains a controlled size and weight, 535 grams, thanks to an internal zoom mechanism, reducing its predecessor's dimensions by 30%. With an equivalent full-frame focal range of 25.5 to 60 mm, 27.2 to 64 mm for Canon RF, its f/1.8 constant aperture makes it a unique offering in the market. It positions itself as a professional option for users of cameras such as the Canon R7 and R10, Fujifilm X, T5, H2, and H2S, or the Sony A6700. The lens features weather sealing, uses 67mm front filters, includes a dedicated aperture control ring, and offers 2 customizable buttons. Its minimum focusing distance is 26 cm at its longest focal length, providing a magnification of 1 minute and 4.8 seconds.